Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 9th, 2025, and we're analyzing Amazon, AMZN, stock, considering both recent news and its chart patterns. Recent news indicates mixed sentiments. Bitcoin's market cap surpassing Amazon's highlights the growing interest in crypto assets and the potential shift in investor focus. Regulatory notices regarding online marketplaces could introduce short-term uncertainty for Amazon. The positive S&P 500 performance, driven by a strong jobs report, may offer a bullish backdrop for Amazon, but we need to see if it follows through the week. Now, let's look at the charts. Here's the daily chart for Amazon. We see a lot of choppiness. Let's find a good range of candles to narrow in on. Notice the dip in early April 2025. We should inspect that. Looking at the daily chart within this range, the candlestick data from early April 25 indicates a strong bearish trend culminating around April 4th and April 7th, followed by some days of extreme volatility, and then stabilization around April 11th. The initial drop might correlate with profit-taking after a strong Q1 report or concerns about guidance and tariffs. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer view of the current price action. We'll look at the last few days of data. Currently, the 1-hour chart shows Amazon trading around the $192 level. We might see a consolidation around this level in the short term. Let's also inspect what this looks like on a shorter time frame. Here's the 15-minute chart. Amazon appears to be consolidating at the time of this recording. We see choppy behavior, but with slightly more higher highs over the past few days. For a bullish scenario, watch for a breakout above $193 with sustained volume, potentially targeting $195. Conversely, a bearish scenario would involve a breakdown below $191, potentially testing support around $188. Let's recap. Key price levels to watch are $191 as immediate support, $188 as stronger support, $193 as resistance, and $195 as a potential target if bullish momentum continues. With the information we have, I'd say an upward trend is slightly more likely than a downward trend, but only if that $193 breakout occurs and it is reinforced. Watch out for news about the regulatory notices mentioned earlier. It could shake things up. That's it for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Remember to do your own research before making any trading decisions. Until next time.